Hey everyone, this is Omar from Simple Tutorials, and in this video we will be discussing how to create page template in Shopify. So before we dive into the video, make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video from where you can now get first month on Shopify for just $1, and as well you will be able to find a link to donate to our channel, as it is going to be a huge support for us. Alright, so now let's just dive into the video. So the first thing that you need to do is, by default, all the pages share the default template. So if you're using it for the first time, all the pages uses all the page share the default template. You can totally create different templates for different pages and then assign your pages to a specific template with the page editor. From your Shopify admin, what you are going to be doing is that you need to go to online store and then themes, and from there to customize. So this is the exact place from where we are able to create a custom template, and then you're going to be selecting pages, default page. From the page selector, then click on create a template. So you can see we have this option of create a template in here. Once you click on that, you will be able to modify your template and create every type of changes that you want: design changes, font changes, graphics changes, and whatever you would like to incorporate in that, you can do that. Once you do, you will be able to save your template, and now you're going to be assigning pages to each template. So from your Shopify admin, go to online store simply and head over to pages. Use a search filter to locate the page that you want to change, or click on the page from the list of existing pages. And in the online store section, use a drop down. You can see we have this template drop down, and you can apply your selected template to that particular page. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Make sure to head over to the link to get in the description to get first month on Shopify for just $1. As well, donate to our channel. It is going to be helping us a lot. For more videos like these, make sure to head over to Simple Tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.